Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So we are back with wholesome new question which says let a equals to this. Then the number of bijective function. Okay. So we got bijective function. First try to understand what is bijective function. Bijective function means onto function. And onto function means codomain equal to range. Okay, and you have two sets, that is a and a. You have to talk to a and a only. So suppose that it is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so you have to make bijective function. So 7% is in set 1, 7% is in set 2. So only if you'll make one function, your bijective case will be done. Correct? So we will focus on one function. Now, there is one condition that f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 is equal to 3. Means f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 should be 3, and it is only possible, like these are the inputs, so sum of 3 outputs should be 3, and it is only possible if you will go with 0 1 and 2. So this cloud will be connected with this cloud and remaining element will be connected with remaining elements. So can I say that required number, I'm focused on cloud. So the first element of cloud has how many choices? 3 choices. Second element of cloud will have how many choices? 2 choices. Third element of cloud will have how many choices? So 1 choice. So it is 3 factorial. Is your task completed? No. Now you are left with 5 element in the yellow bubble and 5 element in the next set. So first element 5 choices, second element 4, 3, 2, 1. So it is 5 factorial. So the required number is 3 factorial into 5 factorial. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.